Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create clips easily from a large project or from a podcast to use for social media using Descript's Create Clips feature. If you haven't already checked out Descript and you would like to, I have a playlist and library of videos and tutorials up here. And if you'd like to support my channel, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description below. Creating clips is really important and necessary in this age of content creation and content production because one, people's attention span is very short, and attention is the new sort of economy. If you can capture someone's attention, then you have their focus and you have their potential following and or interest. And creating clips is becoming much easier with Descript Underlord AI. Now you can take a huge recording from a podcast or like me creating a demo video and repurposing them into clips very quickly using the Underlord AI. The reason why you may want to consider taking advantage of the AI feature is because while we can on our own, it helps to have a partner in our creative process and take advantage of the AI to see what additional ideas they might have in creating clips. So I'm going to give you a demo and show you how it is effortless, easy, and fun and gives you ideas that you may not have considered. Let's get started. Creating clips with Descript's Underlord AI is so fast, you're going to be blown away. Now, even me, as someone who likes to pick and choose what clips, because I already know top of mind what I think is going to attract people to watch my short videos, Descript's Underlord AI is very impactful and it gives me ideas for clips that I would never have thought about myself. So that's why I like using it. I don't always use it, but I think it's helpful and I highly recommend you check it out. I created a copy of a previous long form video and to show you how easy it is to take this 10-minute video and create clips that they think are going to go viral or get the most views. So I have this copy of this project, and what I can do is select this entire project, and then what I'm going to do is click on Underlord. Under Repurpose, you're going to click on Create Clips. And then they're going to ask you how many clips you want out of this 10-minute video. I can suggest maybe that there might be 5 clips worthy of being short videos on YouTube. And I can specify that I'm going to go for 60 seconds because I like to have my short videos at a max of 60 seconds. YouTube does allow me to make short videos up to 3 minutes long, but I still try to keep it to 1 minute because content is everywhere and content and attention span is really key. And so if I can keep it succinct and brief, then I've captured someone's attention and I'm going to likely see them come back to my channel again. And then I can choose a layout if I want. This is really helpful because you see a lot of reels have a consistent layout in terms of style, in terms of font. So I can just pick one if I want, and they can even do like multicam. So if you're doing like an interview or like a podcast recording with someone else, a video podcast, you can choose different layouts. I'm going to choose this bold transformation layout. There's so many more. I'm not going to go through all of them, but pick the one that you think resonates most for your brand, for your audience, and the message that you're trying to convey. And then I can describe my goal to help them understand the best clips that I'm looking for. And I can say, my goal is to show my audience how Descript's clips template feature can be effective way to brand their content. And then I can click on submit. Like I said, AI isn't perfect. The more that we give AI instructions, the more we train the machine, the more they can find the clips that are what we're looking for. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause this video while Underlord is working. Now Underlord has generated 5 different clip ideas from my 10-minute video, and then I can review them and look at how long they are. And like I said, I prefer to keep them at 60 seconds, so I can take this one and then cut it down some more. So if I like it, I'll just click on done. And then, so the one that was 83 seconds long, I think it was this one. And I can see what they have come up with. And then I can say, okay, I'm going to refine this a little bit more. Maybe I will cut this out so that I can keep it under. So now I've cut it to 102, and now I need to cut it a little bit more so that it is exactly 1 minute. So I'm almost there. And let me cut a little bit more. And I'm almost there. So I'm at 1 minute, 1 second. This is just an example. And then you can see that they created the captions here. And if I don't like the color and if I don't like the text, I can always change it. So Impact is not my favorite font. And so I'll go here and search for Garamond. And then I can also change this font size. So it's too big and I don't want a lot of text to show up. I'm going to cut it down to 60 so that this screen is a little bit smaller, but maybe 60 is too small. And then I can like expand and continue to play with this so that it really shows up the way that I want it to show up. So also white may not be the most effective color that stands out. I'm going to choose an orange. I've continued to play with this and choose to explore different colors. Maybe I should have some of them one color. Some of the text can be one color, some of them can be a different color. I can choose to also, with this text, add any animation. I usually keep it very simple and usually have the captions in a color and a font size that is readable and quick and easy, conveying my point. And then that's how you use Underlord AI to create clips. And then if I like it, I click on publish to Google Drive. I usually publish directly to YouTube. So that is a overview and demo of how to create clips in Descript. Tell me if you're using the Underlord AI, how you like it, what questions you have, what concerns. Let me know how I can help you. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.